एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसे कि मैं अपने हर वीडियो के एंड में आप सभी से ये चीज पूछती हूँ कि व्हाट यू वांट टू सी इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो। आप नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्या देखना चाहेंगे? सो वन ऑफ माय सब्सक्राइबर्स श्रेया सेड प्लीज डू अ हेयर स्टाइल वीडियो विद क्रंचीज। So thank you so much Shreya for watching my video and subscribing to my channel. So yes, in today's video we are going to do the hairstyle video using crunchies because in 2021 crunchies are so in trend and recently I have purchased from Amazon a lot of crunchies. So yeah, without any more further delay, let's dive into video. So let's start with the first hairstyle. So first I'm going to, this one I have seen a lot of hairstyle like similar hairstyle on Pinterest. So first I'm going to do the partition just like this. Can you see? And I'm going to push it in front like this. Then I'm using the black rubber band to secure it and make it a cute ponytail. Okay, now I'm going to do like this, make it more tight. And just like this. Okay. Now I am going to just take one crunchie. I'm going to take the big one ताकि pop up हो अपने hairstyle में. Hairstyle, and this hairstyle is my favorite. So let's begin with the second hairstyle. So in this, now we are going to make the pony. Okay, now we need 4 to 5 hair crunchies depending on your hair length. So मेरे hair length के लिए I think 3-4 काफी रहेंगे. So I'm going to take 4 crunchies and ये सारे velvet वाले हैं. So first I'm going to go with the dark one. Now I'm going to tie up the crunchie. Just like this. और इसको just ऐसा pull it up. If you want to do the partition and do the two ponytail like from here, that's also cute. You can do that. And our hairstyle is done. Look how cute this hairstyle is. Now comes to the last hairstyle using the crunchies. So let's do it. Make a side hair braid. That's it, your third hairstyle is done. Don't you think this was too easy to do it? Like anybody can do it, right? So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video very useful. Comment down below which hairstyle you like the most and going to try it. And if you're going to try it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and I will definitely going to repost it on my story. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos of mine. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.